In this video, I will show you how to schedule emails in Gmail on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Gmail app on an iPhone. Now tap Compose button to create a new message. In the To field, select at least one recipient. Enter Subject and enter message details. Once done, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the options, tap Schedule Send. Here you will get options for scheduling like tomorrow morning, this afternoon, Monday morning, and pick date and time. Tap Pick Date and Time and choose a date and time. Once you do that, email will be moved to the Scheduled folder, and on the selected date time, email will be sent. So that is how you can schedule emails in Gmail on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.